So many people want to create website, but first thing you need to do on website is first of all is you must have your wireframe. Then after you having the wireframe, then you begin to design. It shows you what do you want to make before making what you want to make. So I'll begin this from the scratch. I'll just delete everything here. Now I have my wireframe on the paper. So I want to design website for Kisumu Rail Takers. So the first thing I'll do is to create my header, my the links. How do I want my links to cover? So that box will be able to cover my links. So I will create a logo. So that place I want it to have a logo. So the name is Rail Takers, Kisumu Rail Takers. So it is Kisumu Rail Takers. Now I want to make this color blue. First of all, the font, I will be able to choose the font here. Here is where you choose the font if you want to make it bold. And here you can choose the fixed size. What is the size? So, but I'm interested in the field. So which color do I want to give it? So here I can be able to choose the corresponding color. So I'll be using that. As you can see here, there's RGB, there's a CSS here, then there's RGB, there's hex. So when using RGB, you can also put that code there. So I prefer using this. So I'll just leave it like that. So let me highlight and choose the color again. Okay, so here, yeah. So, but I want to make the difference here. I just want to make this black. So I'll come here and choose color black here. Yeah, and be like that. So I want also to, this font is very small, so I can increase my fonts here to 32. Then I can also be able to arrange to see how the padding will be. Then I want to insert my home. So here I can go home. Home button will be here. Home. Then I also want about us. So let me just insert home. Then after home, I also want to position my home here. Then about us, about, and just write about here. Then I want also projects. So projects. So I'm able to position correctly to see the space projects. So as you can see, this font is too big for the links here. So I can come and reduce the font to 24. Reduce the font to 24. I'm doing this basically for the beginner. That's why I'm taking this time so that you can be able to see from the beginner perspective. Okay. So I have that Kisumu Rail Checkers. So I have the logo. Then also have here I can create a button. Then this button I'll give it rather than a fill, but I'll give it a gradient. So I'll choose the color for my gradients here. So I'll be able to choose the color. So here I will be using gradient color. Red is 0, then 108, then I'll use 255 of blue for that, and for the next color I'll be using 18 for red, and 39, and I'll be using 184. So that's how it will be. But I also want to see the border, so I will just expand this. Then I can see the size also. The size is here, width 202, height 66. As you can see here, width is this. So this one I'll put the text called contact us. So contact us. Then I'll position it in the middle. Control Z. Position it in the middle. Then group this together. Control group. Then this is where it will be. As you can see, it is very big. So I can be able to reduce this. Then I can position well my project here. So here we are, contact us. So I'm just trying to position everything well, because when I will be coding, I should be able to know how they are positioned. Then the size also, so that I don't struggle with CSS. So here, contact us, like that. Also, I can be able to see the padding. So let me ungroup kidogo. Yeah, this. So basically this is what I'm trying to make. So after I have been able to make like this, then I can be able to go now back to my VS Code. So I'm just doing this in a beginner